September we met, I could tell by your smile. You hadn't been with a good girl like me in a while. Yeah, you were impressed, couldn't leave me alone. Text me.
This is Rohit Gupta. Welcome you to my YouTube channel, that is Rohan Kid. Today in this video we will be discussing about conversation starters. Now for conversation starters we should start with small talks. Now what are small talks? We can use small talks technique with anyone, anytime. All the conversation starts with small talks. We used to talk small, we used to talk in brief previously, then only we should elaborate our conversation with other person. It increases your confidence level by being engaged people and make them feel that you know them for many years. It is just a starter. It is just a conversation starter that you should use before actually communicating with other person. Just to have a start to a new individual, you should use a communication starter or conversation starters. Now what are conversation starters? I will be giving 5 tips of 5 techniques to start your conversation, how you will start your conversation with anybody. But before starting the video, I request you, those who haven't subscribed for my channel, subscribe it and hit the bell icon so that in future you can get the notifications for the upcoming videos. So let's get started. The first awesome conversation starter is casual introduction. Now under casual opening or casual introduction, you should say to everybody, "Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you." You should be friendly and clean attitude. Now second awesome conversation starter is talking about their hobbies and passion. Whenever they are free, what they are doing. Talk about them in detail about their hobbies and passions and try to match with your hobby and passion with other person. This is the awesome conversation starter to start a conversation. The third awesome conversation starter is whenever we are into any event, into any function, into any organization, we should have conversation starter related to the host, who has given the party, who has given the event, who has organized the event. We should start with, "Do you know the host who is hosting this party?" This is the actual communication starter at particular event or specific event. The fourth awesome conversation starter is talking about your qualities. What kind of person you are. Don't tell about your weaknesses. Tell about what kind of qualities you are having. That should be good qualities. So the other person came to know about what kind of people you are. Whether you are trustworthy, whether you are honest person, so that he can engage with you. The last but not the least awesome conversation trick number 5. Last we have to just say about, tell me about yourself or about your story, about more about yourself. So this will actually start your conversation because you have used the techniques of conversation starter. See, in communication we used to hesitate very much while introducing with other person or while starting a conversation with other person. But with these techniques, with these conversation starters, we can actually start our conversation with anybody in life. We will not be able to hesitate that person because this small conversation starter will boost up a confidence in you that you are speaking to some stranger in a friendly way. That's the main thing of these conversation starters. So friends, if you like this video, do give thumbs up, share your feedback in my comment section how you like this video. Share this video as much as you can with your Facebook and WhatsApp group. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, have a nice day. Goodbye.